Since a flowchart represents a flow of data, there has to be something which actually connects and maintains the data flow. It is done through different shapes and connectors known as symbols. Let us look at some of them. The process symbol represents any process, function, or action and is the most frequently used symbol in flowcharting. The document symbol is used to represent any type of hard copy, input or output, that is, reports. Off-page connector symbols are used to indicate the flowchart continues on another page. Often, the page number is placed in the shape for easy reference. The input-output symbol represents data that is available for input or resulting from processing, that is, customer database records. The decision symbol is a junction where a decision must be made. A single entry may have any number of alternative solutions, but only one can be chosen. The connector symbol represents the exit to or entry from another part of the same flowchart. It is usually used to break a flow line that will be continued elsewhere. Let us see an example from real life to understand the concept of flowcharts better. Suppose you want to have a burger and you are standing at the entrance of a burger chain. As you can see in the diagram, the starting box approaching the counter and then placing the order for the burger. Do you notice the difference in the shapes of the boxes in the diagrams? Also, can you notice some of the arrows being used? This is how the flow is shown using symbols and connectors. Moving on to the next step. Whenever a question arises, a diamond box is used for representation. For example, as shown, it is being asked whether fries are needed with a burger or not. Since every question will have either of the two answers, that is yes or no, hence the next step follows. Drink is inquired about, and once the order is finalized, the total calculated amount is paid to the cashier. Another short representation of 3 steps can also be seen. In this, a combo meal is ordered and cash is paid. It is significant to know that for any kind of situation, a flowchart can vary. This is because every person has his or her own perception to represent a sample problem on a paper. The shown flowchart is the final representation in generalized form to identify the starting and ending points of the described process, the sequence of actions in the process, and the decision or branching points, etc.